guys, welcome back to my channel. It's A.MaRee here, coming to you with something totally different. You guys, this video is a partnered video with the company called Luxe Brand. Y'all, my first partnered video. Your girl coming through with her very first partnered brand. If y'all never heard of this company before, please go check it out in the hot box. They have sunshades, they have purses, they have backpacks, they have watches, shoes, they have all of the above for men and women. So what I did was purchase 2 items from the company, and yes, you guys, I do have a coupon code. So if you check down below the hot box or screenshot this code right here, you will get 20% off any purchase you make. You'll get 20% off by using my personal code. So without further ado, I want to go ahead and get into the products that I bought. And before you leave this video, I want you to hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, share this video with your mom and them. This website makes a great birthday gift, anniversary gift, Christmas gift. I know we're past Christmas, but Christmas gift or anything. This website is the website to go to when you want good quality products and you want to give a meaningful gift. So go ahead and share with everybody you know. Don't forget to comment down below your thoughts. Let me know if you ever heard of this brand, and let's get into it. So for starters, I did want to go ahead and start off by showing you guys the male products. I did get 1 product from the males and 1 product from the females, and I did go ahead and purchase a bomb ass watch for the wife. Yes, I did. So before we get into the watch, let's go ahead and talk about the packaging. It is all black. It's very thick and it's very sleek. Wouldn't nobody know what it is if you gave it to them just like this. And it's a men's luxury watch, and they do have a link remover as a bonus inside of the watch. So let me just go ahead and show y'all this watch. Oh my god, when I first seen this on the website, this was the watch that I was like, whoop, whoop, hold up, this look good on Bay. Like, I really thought this watch would suit her very well. It's a sterling silver watch with black facing, with the black face. This part here is the link remover. It's a whole little toolkit, and it comes with the watch just in case if the watch is too big. They have some good watches on that website, and Bay really enjoys this watch. I can say throughout this whole experience, Kobe was the best. He was the best when he approached me. As he was talking to me, he made me feel comfortable. He made me feel like it wasn't a scam. Like, it was great. Kobe, thank you. You are awesome. You deserve a raise. I'm telling you. You deserve a raise. So back to the watch. They did give you a cloth, a black cloth, to clean off your watch, and of course that's exactly how it comes. But let me show y'all this watch. Ooh, Let me show y'all this watch. I cannot wait till Bay put it on. Now, what I can say now that I'm looking at the watch, it looks like the green dots that's on the watch that marks the hour, it looked like it glows in the dark. You guys, this watch is bomb. I know for a fact this watch is gonna be everything that Bay can imagine. Now, the reason why I picked black ice is because of the simple fact it's silver, her wedding band is white gold, and it has black, and black goes with everything. And she's one of those jewelry wearers that rather silver or white gold, so the silver, boom, matches priceless. Like, it is a gorgeous watch. So ladies, if your man's birthday coming up, or Valentine's Day, boo, is coming up, so make sure to jump on Lux brand for that good Valentine's gift for your man. They also have jackets and shoes, if I didn't mention that already, for men, and they have some nice jacket. Now, this bag is called the Micron. The Micron, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, coffee tote bag. You guys, it is so big that I can't even put it into frame. Like, that's the furthest I could come back on my frame. But here is the bag, and I chose this bag because, for one, it is a brown and black type of color, which gives me Coach vibes, like major Coach vibes. And I did decide to choose the tote bag because, as y'all all may know, if you've been here on my channel, if you've been here with me on my channel for a while, y'all know I plan, y'all know I edit on the go. I have a laptop that I could put in my purse. I have my 2 planners, and I have my daily stuff that I use in a purse. My wallet, my makeup bag, I mean everything. So getting a tote bag, it just seemed perfect to me. And it did come as big as I actually thought it would. And I'm very surprised in that, but I absolutely love this bag. Now, Bay did buy me a bag for my birthday, and I have been rocking the Vera Wang purse. But I am planning on switching out to this bag now that it came in and I done my review. I want to switch out to this bag and wear it for about a week and see how well I'm liking it within a week. So if y'all would like an updated video on how I'm liking the bag, go ahead and comment down below. Decoration on it, like the little gems that hang on it, this is just too cute. And also the little M on it, oh my gosh. Now, to me, M is for mom. I don't know about nobody else, but I absolutely love this bag, and I can't wait to pile all my stuff in it and see how heavy it actually feel and see how well it'll wear. And it is a leather type of feel. The bag is leather, so I'm grateful for that because, like I said, I pack everything in my purse slash backpack slash tote. I pack everything from drinks on down to makeup. So I'm glad that it is a leather tote bag, and the inside is fabric. The inside is fabric, but I like that it comes with multiple pockets and zippers and extra pockets on the side, and it does zip up on the top. Y'all know me in person, y'all know I do not like small bags. I love a big, good quality purse because I pack my whole life in it. So that is it for this review. Like I said, if y'all would like for a updated video on how my tote bag is lasting or holding up, should I say, if y'all would like that video, go ahead and comment down below, and I will do it in like a week or a month type of deal, just to let y'all know how well it's doing. So all my gems that's watching this, if you're looking for a gift for your boo for Valentine's Day, I suggest the coffee tote bag. It's bomb. And it don't only have coffee tote bag, it has many other ones. So if I were you, I would go check it out, get it for Valentine's Day, or maybe her birthday is coming up. And they also have watches and backpacks for women. Oh, and sunglasses too. They do have sunglasses on the website. So for all my gems, if you're looking for a gift for your diamond, go ahead and pick that up. And I just want to say thank you, Lux Brand, for giving me this opportunity to partner with you guys. I really enjoy it. Bay really likes her watch, and it feels amazing to partner with my very first company. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't thank you enough. So for all my diamonds and gems, go ahead and go to that website. Don't forget my coupon code. Order it up, boo. Order it up. And it doesn't take long to ship. I actually got this in shipping, I want to say it was 3 days. 3 days or 4 days at the max. I promise y'all, shipping is fast. Promise y'all. So I want to end the video here, and I want to say thank you once again for stopping by my channel or coming back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button or the notification bell so you won't miss another video from your girl. And for all my diamonds and gems that have been rocking with me, listen to your girl when I say go over to Lux Brand. So I'll see you guys in the next video.